In today's video, I'll cover another one of my storytelling tips, upping the stakes to create more conflict. What do your heroes and villains lose if they fail? Here are my storytelling tips for how upping the stakes will improve your story and your writing. What's up, storytellers? I'm Sherer, author of the Amazon top-selling time travel novel Timeslingers. In my 7 storytelling tips for adding more conflict to your stories, I referenced upping the stakes. Upping the stakes means making your characters' goals and objectives more meaningful. Let me give you some examples of this storytelling tip in practice. In Star Wars: A New Hope, the initial stakes are pretty low. Luke needs to rescue Leia from the Empire. But the stakes go way up when Tarkin blows up Alderaan and then starts to move the Death Star to the Rebel base. Now most of the rebellion is about to be destroyed. The stakes went up. And that crafty George Lucas raises the stakes again in The Empire Strikes Back by revealing Vader's true relationship to Luke. In Back to the Future, if Marty doesn't figure out how to connect his mom and dad, his entire family will disappear. Those are high stakes, but they get even higher when his mom in 1955 develops a crush on him. That's heavy. In Avengers Infinity War, Thanos wants to eradicate half the population of the entire universe. If the Avengers fail to stop him, not only will civilians on hundreds of planets die, but so will some of them. Which brings me to my next point. Notice how there are 2 categories of stakes: physical stakes and emotional stakes. In Infinity War, the physical stakes are the number of people who could die, and the emotional stakes are seeing friends and family die. In Star Wars, the physical stakes come from the threat to the rebellion, but the emotional stakes are about struggling with reuniting and protecting friends and family. So how have I used these storytelling tips in my own writing? Well, in my time travel novel, Timeslingers, I made sure to add emotional stakes for Hector by bringing in a character from his past who he's emotionally connected to. In my supernatural steampunk western, Death of a Bounty Hunter, I made the villain more desperate by showing the threat his family faces if he doesn't accomplish his goal. Do you have a question or suggestion related to my storytelling tips? If so, leave it down in the comments below. Upping the stakes increases the tension, which increases the conflict. It's another one of my storytelling tips that should generate more conflict and hopefully interest in your story. If you like my storytelling tips, hit the like button for me. And if you want more storytelling tips just like this one, subscribe to this channel. Keep writing, keep grinding, and I'll see you on the next video.